Ah, oye, si se ponen en el... Mira, cortado como casi todo.
It's chocho. The back chow, never. You see, I told you no, I can't shop. Cannot shop at all. Always I leave something. No matter how I have my list, always I leave something. But a supermarket here don't have much stuff. Have to go shop some places for what I need. Well, okay guys, see you later. Hi guys, today I'll be making vegetable soup, and in my soup I'll be having like a bok chow, celery, vegetable, mixed vegetable, butter bean, green peas, my yam, pumpkin, carrot, sweet potato, chocho, and a little piece of cauliflower, and I'll be using Grace Cock soup. And last but not least, we can drink the soup without what? Dumpling. So I'll be having a few dumpling in it. See you later. Hi guys. Remember earlier I told you I was making vegetable soup, and I show you all the food that I'll be using. Well, here we go. This is the final touch of it. It's on the final stage now. Almost ready to eat. See? It's pretty. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. This is the cauliflower. You have the bok chow, the green vegetable, the green peas, pumpkin, carrot, sweet potato. But over here is the sweet potato because you cannot let it cook, or else it's gonna be in the pot, and all the other stuff. So, and my dumpling. Oh, don't forget my dumpling. Can't leave out my dumpling at all. So it's on the finishing stage. See? My vegetable soup. See, my vegetable soup. My vegetable soup. Okay. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, and share this video. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.